If you want to download the Pinterest app on iPhone, first you need to turn on some settings. Open the settings and just scroll down and open screen time and make sure it's turned on, and content and privacy restrictions. Turn on this and open iTunes and App Store purchases, and here just tap this and click allow and back, and here make sure it's selected don't require, then back, and now you can turn off this and scroll down, then open Face ID and passcode. Then here make sure iPhone unlock was turned on, and also iTunes and App Store and Wallet and Apple Pay. So make sure these three options were turned on. Now finally minimize this and open App Store and just click search and click here and just type Pinterest and search, and here it is. Just click and get. Now if it asks your Apple ID password, enter that. First couple of times it may ask, after that it won't. After that if you download any new app, it will shows up like this, and you just need to press this side button double time, then show your Face ID, and that's it. So here you can see now the app was installing. So it's installed. Just click open. That's it. Now just sign up or log in if you have any account to your Pinterest account. Yeah, here it is. So this is how you need to do. In case if it doesn't log in or sign in like this, you just need to download any VPN like this and turn on the VPN, then try to download or log in, then hopefully it works. And if you want to know how to download this Pinterest app on Windows PC or laptop, watch this video.